Hi guys, my name is Vijay Vasave. I am second year MBBS in Dr. Ullas Patil Medical College in Jalgaon. Today my topic is National Health Program. So, National Health Program in so many programs are involved. So, Universal Immunization Program. Universal Immunization Program, vaccination program launched by Government of India in 1985. Become a part of Child Survival and Safe Motherhood program in 1992 and is currently one of the key areas under National Rural Health Mission since 2005. So key rules of national so routine immunization campaigns and monitoring adverse event following immunization, vaccine and cold storage, logistic strategies, communication and immunization training. Vaccine under UIP. Under UIP, following vaccines are provided: BCG, DPT, OPV, measles, hepatitis B, TT, etc. So, various campaigns: pulse polio immunization program, introduction of hepatitis B vaccine, introduction of Japanese encephalitis vaccine, introduction of measles vaccine, second opportunity, and introduction of pentavalent vaccine, mission Indradhanush. The diseases being targeted are diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis, tuberculosis, measles, and hepatitis B. In addition, other vaccines for Japanese encephalitis and Haemophilus influenza type B are also being. So, Japanese encephalitis control program. This disease is caused by a small virus which is spread by mosquitoes. Death rate is very high in this disease, and the survivor have to be fight. Many neurological complications. So strategy to control JE. Early diagnosis and complete treatment. Integrated vector control including personal protection, capacity building. So next one is our National Tuberculosis Control Program. Introduction. So TB is one of the most ancient disease. It has been referred in the Vedas and Ayurvedic Samhitas. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis in India, and the first open air sanatorium was founded in 1906. TB survey 1939 and introduction of BCG vaccine 1984 under Dr. Primodol Muller. First TB dispensary established in Bombay in 1917. India became a member of the International Union Against Tuberculosis. So, National Tuberculosis Program has been operation since 1962. However, the treatment success rate were unacceptably low, and the death and default rate remain high. Spread of multi-drug resistant TB was threatening to further worsen the situation. So objective: the achievement of the least 85% cure rate of infection cases of TB through DOTS involving peripheral health functionaries and augmentation of case finding activities through quality sputum microscopy to detect or list 70% estimated cases. Dot strategies. Political will and administrative commitment, diagnosis by quality assure sputum smear microscopy, adequate supply of daily assure short course chemotherapy drug, directly observe treatment, systemic monitoring and accountability. The Stop TB Strategies 2006 Vision. A TB free world. Goal to dramatically reduce the global burden of TB by 2015 in line with the Millennium Development Goals and the Stop TB partnership target. So next one is leprosy. Introduction. So chronic infection disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae. It usually affect the skin and peripheral nerve. Long incubation period, generally 5 to 7 years. Classified as paucibacillary or multibacillary. The timely diagnosis and treatment of cases. So background. So global registered prevalence greater than 1 lakh cases in 2012. Nation Leprosy Control Program 1995. Multi-drug treatment come into wide use from 1982. National Leprosy Eradication Program 1983. NHP 2002 eliminated leprosy program by 2005. Milestone in NLP 1984. Hinchan Nivaran Singh. So that one is the program of the leprosy. So objective NLP 1983 to detect all cases of leprosy irrespectively of endemicity of the area, to treat all detect the case of leprosy and its complication till its cure of recovery, to impart training to all categories of health program. Vision. The attainment of leprosy free status for the people of India. Strategies for NLP. Early case detection, short-term multi-drug therapy, health education and rehabilitation service. So multi-drug therapy, multibacillary and paucibacillary. So rifampicin 600 milligram one a month, Depson 100 milligram daily. Organization of NLP in India. Center level DGHS and NLEP officer. So state level and regional level. So role of key person, health worker. So identification of person with the hypopigmented patches or thickened tender nerve, help and motivate VHG to detect such cases, ensure that cases are clinical examination for diagnosis, ensure that the treatment is taken regularly by the cases, motivate diffuser to take treatment of regularly. So educate patient one care of feet, skin, eye, etc. Educate members of family and community by imparting correct knowledge and dispel misconception, misbelief, help remove stigma. Examine contact to diagnose case of presence of hypopigmented patches, thick tender nerve. Keep record of suspected cases and case under treatment. Thank you.